my plan, I wish to work, to collaborate with the university because all our professional people working for the VP.Start from the university. Why don't we collaborate with university? A lot of opportunity that we can work together. Young generation, they're ready for the technology. So the subject that we should learn to support for the fourth industrial revolution is regarding to the point that I mentioned in my presentation about the electrical engineer, electronic telecommunication, data science, data analytics, and so on that regarding to the cloud services, artificial intelligence. That is not a big problem for the young generation because they are ready for the development. Don't forget about the critical thinking subject. So I was introverted engineer. I'm scared to talk to the people. I never share experience to the people because intimidated for the electrical engineer. But I think all also the electrical engineer are the same, right? So they don't want to communicate with people, especially strangers. But this is we lack of the experience to communicate with strangers, and we lose the opportunity also. So I think critical thinking, business development are useful for the electrical engineer. VP.Start was start from the scratch. So we start from providing the very small consultant services, and then when we build a trust with our utility, and then it become a project. And then we create a solution by using our local engineer to develop hardware and software together and provide this solution to the utility. And right now it become eco solution for the smart grid system. We don't need the international product, but we can replace it 100% for the grid modernization. So the point is we need more people to collaborate to work on that research and development. We waiting to collaborate with the university. My suggestion to the university, please change the requirement from the utility. We will not just provide the solution or programming to students, because based on my experience, when students they graduate a bachelor degree, master degree from the international, from university, we need to provide training more to the people. So it seems like new for them to learn. They spend a couple of years to understand more about the grid modernization, about the smart city, about the Internet of Things. That is a great requirement from the utility. Why the university never think about that? And I don't complain, but that is just my point of view. They are smart at the technical already. So just give them the idea, the topic for research and development. I think when graduate a bachelor degree, they can work for the fourth industry revolution. So that is just my small point.
VP.Start, innovation through technology.